hair to let us know you're in the room. Feel free to tug on my hair.
Or mine.
Okay, and we've got quite a few folks that don't mind you touching them, but you are not in any way allowed to harm our guests. You are not allowed to attach yourself to any of us when we leave. We are here to communicate with you, and we hope you can tell us why you are still here. So, maybe.
So I understand you don't like people being down here. Tell us to get out. Come on, get out. I also understand you like to hit Zach. Well, you can hit me. I'm afraid of you to hit me. Go ahead. On the floor next to these two little green lights, I've got a little a light. We call it a flashlight. You should be able to touch it to make it come on. You made it turn off while I was over here trying to use it earlier. Can you make it come on for us? Thank you.
Dude, I just saw those lights.
Very nice.
Thank you for turning on that flashlight. Now, what I need you to do, I need you to turn the flashlight back off for me. I need to make sure that was you and the flashlight didn't have a malfunction. Can you turn it off, please?
Flash.
Turn it off. Come on.
Flash.
If you need to borrow some energy, you can borrow it from me.
It's that how.
How? I'll tell you what, I'm holding my hand out. I'm over the flashlight. You just touch my hand. There you go. That was awesome.
Can you tell us your name? It's cool.
Did that say Paul?
Bob.
Bob. Bob, are you the person that was killed by getting electrocuted and accidentally getting hung?
We got a no in a deep voice off this box.
I heard that.
Wait, just now.
Yep, 2 seconds ago.
When did it happen?
Just, I can't remember what question he asked me, sorry.
So this is not Bob?
If you're Bob, turn the flashlight back on.
Did I say no again?
If you are not Bob, turn the flashlight back on.
I know you can do it. You turned it on once. Do it again. Thank you. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it back off. We're going to play a little game. You like to play games? Turn my flashlight off. We can't play until you turn the flashlight off.
That is way cool.
Would you like to sit the K2 over there?
And
Right, I have.
we're right beside it.
Yeah. Oh, you got one.
Someone put,
You know, I got another one. You want to put it over there?
I want to see if it goes to 2 as well.
No, that was,
We just got one.
thank you for turning the flashlight off. All right, we're going to play a little game. I'm going to call it Truth. understand how to play the game? Just a simple question. If you died in this room, turn the light on. Okay, since you didn't turn the light on, here comes your dare. I dare you to hit my hand. Either turn the flashlight on or hit my hand, one of the two. That's how we play the game. Come on now. Okay. Anybody else got a question they want to ask for the game?
If you didn't die in this room, please turn the flashlight on.
If you think you're still alive, turn the flashlight on.
Only people in this room right now are people that are still alive. If you just turn my flashlight on, I'm sorry to tell you that you're not alive anymore. I'm sorry if that upsets you. I need you to turn the flashlight back off, please.
Turn it off if you understand what he just told you.
I understand finding out that you're not alive anymore is a very traumatic event. I need you to turn my flashlight off.
Turn it off if you need help crossing over. Your family's there waiting on you. Turn it off if you want help.
Thank you. Anybody else want to ask a question?
Are you lonely?
We have to tell them how to go.
Unfortunately, we don't have anybody here that can cross you over. I'm sorry. We're just here to talk to you and find out who you were.
Just tell them to go to the light. To go to heaven. Go to the light. Do you understand that? Go to the light, and you can be with your family. Turn the light on if you understand what I'm saying.
You're about to ask a question.
If you're lonely, turn the light on. If you are lonely, turn the light back on.
If you're still at work, turn the light back on for us. If you're on your lunch break, turn the light on for us.
If you like us down here communicating with you, turn the light back on for us.
Are you not turning the light on because we haven't told you how to cross over?
Could you light the flashlight if you're still here with us?
Do we have more than one spirit here with us? If we do, turn the flashlight on.